discussing about many case studies. We have solved case studies using design thinking approach also. Now let us take a very important or interesting case today.
Yes.
So before that, as we always do, let us recap what we have studied so far. So we have covered about entrepreneurship. We have also covered about venture capitals, and we have defined who is the entrepreneur. We have defined the entrepreneur mindsets, and mainly entrepreneurs are people who take risk and people who do innovation. They are entrepreneurs. Key characteristics. So what we are going to do today? Can we exactly guess? So today, as we rightly guessed,
Ideation.
Today we are going to do ideation, exploring creative process. So ideation start with brainstorming. These are the techniques of ideation: brainstorming, mind mapping, lateral thinking. But before that,
Empathy.
can you identify where we are design thinking model, where what we missed? We missed. In fact, we are not missed. Before that, we did empathy. After empathy only, we brainstorm to solve the problem. How that problem can be solved. So brainstorming, basically we generate many ideas. So what is the difference between brainstorming and other techniques is, in brainstorming we don't evaluate the ideas instantly. Our intention is to generate more number of ideas, not evaluating instantly. So that is the idea of brainstorming. Then we go with mind mapping. Mind mapping technique, we keep on expanding as in a tree approach. We keep our ideas, we organize our ideas, then we go for horizontal thinking or lateral thinking, out of the box thinking to solve the problems. So let us see, as you said, this is actually the idea. Before ideation, we did empathy. So what we do, basically for any startup, we first identify the gap in the market. There are two strategies, you must be knowing: blue ocean strategy, red ocean strategy. So first we identify the gaps in the market, or if we have an innovative product, we can go about creating demand for the product. In this case, we identify market trends, identify shifts in customers' consumption patterns, customers' taste and preferences, or what are the customers' demands, unmet needs. Sometimes customers themselves do not know what they want. For example, can you tell us any customer unmet needs? Customer needs are there which are not met because of the emerging lifestyle, emerging family patterns.
For customer demands, we can take an example of quick commerce. Okay.
Good.
Quick commerce, and even though we have apps like Swiggy, Zomato to prefer our taste and sort out our hungry from the home.
Good. That's one thing. Same thing, not only for cooked meal, even for groceries, we have apps for them.
Quick commerce also we have.
That's also we have. And because of the customer's family pattern change, now both the husband and wife generally work because of the economic compulsions. In that case, there is a requirement of quick made food. One is ordering food, other is ordering grocery. In between there is something like ready to eat or frozen foods. These type of opportunities also there. So that we have to find out, like the instant dosa mix, the dosa batter, these sort of things they meet because they don't have time to prepare the dosa batter. So these are we have to identify these sort of demands in the market which is not met. So technologies also help us, or sometimes technology themselves create demand. So like cell phone others, they themselves create a demand for the products. So let us take a real life case study for a profitable venture. We all know Ola cabs. They have revolutionized the way they transports. They may not own even a single cab, but they control the full market. Do you know what sort of name is given to such what is the business model? This business model is given a name actually, like Ola cab, like Swiggy. These sort of people are given a name. Actually, they are called aggregators. They combine all other businesses. They are called business aggregators. So they identify the problem: lack of reliable transports. In India, we know the state of public transport in India. So the solution is app-based cab service. They offered the app-based cab service. It was a win-win situation for the cab operators and there was also, and the public also. The impact is affordable and accessible rates. Now a calculation analysis shows it is profitable to use Ola cab rather than to have your own car. That's what the analysis shows. Okay. So let us take one more case study of Byju's. So what Byju's did, they identified a challenge, a gap. Access to quality education was there in the Indian market. The access was not that much. People didn't have that much access for quality education. So opportunity is online learning platforms. They entered the online learning platform. They actually succeeded very much. Even though in the last couple of years they ran into problems. But let us discuss about 5 years story in another case study. They transformed actually Indian education market basically. So let us test our understanding. What is ideation?
Ideation is a thing which we brainstorm, we empathize what is the real problem statement, where we could able to give our potential for this particular problem statement to solve the problem statement and make the problem as a sustainable business in the market also.
Wonderful. So what is the opportunity recognition? What do you mean by opportunity recognition? So you recognize
the market security, sir.
Exactly. We understand, we recognize some opportunities in the society, in the market. Otherwise, can you give an example of an innovative venture, business venture? We gave Ola. Can you give some more examples?
Blinkit quick commerce.
Good. Quick commerce and the food apps we discussed about.
Even though Google are focusing on quantum computing, which revolving the next 5 years.
Quantum companies actually already started. Now it's going to come in a very big phase. So that's going to again revolutionize.
Yes.
Maybe industry 5.0, 6.0. Let us see. So, in a summary, we know what we did. We analyze the trends and all things. First, creativity. That's very important. Creative ideas. Then we analyze our ideas. Then we innovate. So we apply design thinking concepts also here. Like creativity involves again recognizing unmet needs, the empathy stage, and again our problem solving ideation stage also. Analysis, we found solution to that. Our prototype and other stages come here. Innovation state, our implementation stage comes here. Okay. Hope we have benefited so much through this. Happy learning.